Also developing now, the fight for Florida taking center stage in results 2020. We just found out President Trump will be in Ocala Friday night for another campaign rally.
Yeah, the news comes just hours after he held an event at the Orlando Sanfor International Airport, and that is where News 6's Eric Sandoval is live tonight. Eric.
Yeah, Ginger and Lisa, this was really a fast trip for the president. He landed here at the airport right before 7 o'clock tonight, immediately took the stage, spoke for about an hour, got back on his plane, and right now he's already back in Washington, D.C. Democrats, though, wasted no time in launching their attacks on his event here tonight.
It's a lot of people.
Speaking to hundreds of his supporters, President Trump appeared at Orlando Sanfor International Airport.
It's great to be back in my home state, Florida, to make my official return to the campaign trail.
This return came 10 days after his first rally here in Sanford was canceled after he was diagnosed with the coronavirus. His doctor released this letter Monday night saying the president has now tested negative for COVID-19 for consecutive days.
We are going to take whatever the hell they gave me, and we're going to distribute it around to hospitals, and everyone's going to have the same damn thing.
The president talked about a coronavirus vaccine. He also talked about the economy, a topic Governor Ron DeSantis also picked up on.
We're not going to let them shut our schools. We're not going to let them close our businesses. We are not going to let them shut down this country.
Trump campaign officials told News 6 mask wearing was optional. The Florida Democratic Party called this a super spreader event. In a statement, the group said it is unbelievable how the Republicans in Florida and President Trump refused to take this pandemic seriously. The president maintained his administration has been out in front and is helping to defeat the pandemic.
And we will make America great again. Thank you, Florida. Thank you very much.
Now, Democrat Joe Biden will be here in Florida tomorrow. He has two events scheduled, both of them in Broward County. This is Florida once again takes center stage in a... We are live outside Orlando Sanford International Airport tonight. Eric Sandoval, getting results, News 6. Back to you.
Eric, thank you.